Hi, my name is Fred Dawes. I'm the president of Masonry and Glass Systems, and the purpose of this video is to show you how we assemble Wedi shower kits for you. First of all, as you can see, we buy Wedi in bulk. We don't buy the pre-made shower kits. What that enables us to do is to customize each kit for your needs. For example, if you'd like a 16 by 16 or a different size soap niche, we can put that in your kit. If you'd like additional sealant, we can add that to the kit. If you'd like a Wedi suspended seat, we can add this to the kit. Or if you'd like to build your own custom bench, we add Wedi 2-inch board to your kit. So in summary, when you do business with us, we're going to build the kit exactly as you require it for your project. In addition to that, remember, we are always here for you for questions after the sale, during installation. Thank you for your time.